students, this is a copy of a corrected assignment 3.3. I'm going to go over with you and then give you the rest of the instructions. The first error that we see is February is misspelled. Some of you put an SP there. That is okay, but the preferred way is the caret with the R above it. Always put the caret under and the letter above. Everything up until here is correct. It says thank you for you manuscript, and it should be your manuscript. Again, we put the caret and then the letter above. The next error we have is has. It is spelled incorrectly. And since it has two S's, and that's all you need to do, you put the delete mark on the second S. When we get down to the next error, it is received. The I and the E are transposed, so you use the transposition mark, which is just like this. And the next one is its same error. It's EI when it should be IE, so they're transposed. You do the little squiggly transposition error. Now the next one says, it says the committee believes that the section on employee motivation should be expanded to including more information. It should be to include more information. And to fix that, you delete the ing and put E above it. And then it says more information, one intrinsic motivation. It should be on intrinsic motivation. So what you do is you delete the E. The next error is at the end of the next sentence. It has a question mark. It should be a period. And to make it a period, you delete the question mark, put a period with a circle around it. Then it says we hop to work, and it should be we hope to work. Again, caret under the word, letter above the word. Okay, now it says we hope to worked it out. No, it's we hope to work it out. So, because it's not past tense. Here, again, you take the ED and you put the delete mark. The next the next error says, call me if you have any questions. Well, it's doubled up, so you always delete the second one. Then all the rest of them are clear. The VC stands for, they're the letters whoever typed it. And Della Vries is the one who's signing it and the one who dictated it. But somebody with the initials of VC is the one that actually typed it. These VC, the initials, are supposed to be in lowercase letters. Okay, now for the rest of the instructions for the rest of this assignment.